Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the vibrations on your controller and your Xbox One. This is easy. Let's go to settings right here and select this. Now, instead of going to devices and connections, we want to go down to accessibilities. Then go to the right and go to controllers under this menu option. Now we want to go to vibration settings. Then under here, there will be one box we want to go ahead and check mark. So let's go on down to where it says turn on vibrations and make sure this is selected. Now when this is selected or we have it unselected, the controller should vibrate. And it's still checked mark. Now you can also do this in most games like Call of Duty. If we want to just go into the game settings, we can easily turn off the vibrations just for that specific game. And then leave it on for games like Minecraft or Halo. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.